Are you tired of relying on antibiotics for every chest infection? Nature might hold the key to your relief. Exploring natural remedies can be a gentle yet effective way to enhance your body's ability to fight off these uncomfortable ailments. From honey's soothing properties to the potent anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric, the realm of natural treatments is vast and promising. Join us as we delve into the healing powers of nature, and discover how you can harness them to breathe easier. Did you know that nearly 70% of patients report a significant improvement in symptoms after using natural remedies alongside conventional medicine? Even if you're facing challenges like COPD or extensive lung damage, it's never too late to begin the journey towards healthier lungs. Simple steps in detoxing can lead to meaningful improvements in your breathing and overall well-being. Well, stay tuned and discover the incredible power of this natural remedy drink that's not only delicious but also remarkably effective in cleansing and rejuvenating your lungs. See how you can breathe easier and feel revitalized in no time. Here are 5 things to quit immediately when you begin a lung detox therapy. Smoking. This is the most crucial step. Whether it's cigarettes, cigars, or vaping, all forms of smoking inhibit lung recovery and exacerbate respiratory problems. Exposure to pollutants. Avoid environments with high air pollution, industrial fumes, or heavy dust. These can severely impact lung health and counteract the benefits of your detox therapy. Steer clear of consuming excessive alcohol and avoid foods with artificial additives, preservatives, and high levels of sugar and salt, which can hinder the body's natural detoxification processes. Using synthetic air fresheners and scented candles. Many of these products contain chemicals that can irritate the lungs. Opt for natural alternatives like essential oils or simply open your windows to let fresh air in. Sedentary lifestyle. Inactivity can slow down the body's natural detox processes. Incorporating regular, gentle exercise like walking or yoga can help improve lung capacity and enhance overall detoxification. Explore the natural healing power of ginger, eucalyptus, peppermint, and honey, all of which can help soothe your airways, enhance breathing, and effectively clear mucus buildup in your lungs. Here are 8 foods that are known to support lung detox and improve respiratory health. Apples rich in antioxidants and vitamins that can help maintain healthy lungs and aid in respiratory function. Beets contain nitrates that help optimize oxygen uptake, improving lung function and stamina. Green tea loaded with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and may protect lung tissue. Garlic contains allicin, which helps fight infections and reduce inflammation in the lungs. Turmeric, its active compound curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory system. Ginger helps to break down mucus, making it easier to expel and thus clearing the lungs more effectively. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are high in antioxidants, which are essential for reducing inflammation and protecting lung tissue. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are rich in flavonoids and vitamins that enhance immune function and protect against oxidative stress in the lungs. Here's a recipe for a natural remedy tea. This tea is designed to soothe the throat, boost the immune system, and help clear the lungs. Natural remedy tea recipe. 1 green tea bag. 1 cup boiling water. 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon honey. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. A pinch of cayenne pepper. Steep the tea. Place the green tea bag in a cup and pour boiling water over it. Let it steep for about 3 minutes. Add ginger. While the tea is steeping, add the freshly grated ginger to the cup. This allows the ginger to infuse the tea with its flavor and beneficial properties. Mix in lemon and honey, remove the tea bag, and stir in the lemon juice and honey. Lemon adds a refreshing zest and vitamin C, while honey brings soothing sweetness and antibacterial properties. Incorporate garlic and cayenne. Sprinkle in the garlic powder and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Garlic powder helps boost immunity, and cayenne pepper adds a touch of heat, which can help to open up the airways. Stir well. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Enjoy warm. Drink the tea while it's warm to maximize the benefits of clearing mucus and soothing the throat. This tea is best enjoyed once or twice a day as part of a lung detox routine or simply to support overall respiratory health. Enjoy the warming, soothing effects and the boost to your immune system. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial for removing mucus and maintaining healthy lungs, so make sure to drink plenty of fluids every day. Our lung cleansing tea offers great benefits, especially when combined with positive lifestyle changes like quitting smoking and avoiding pollutants. Give this tea a try and experience the noticeable improvements in your respiratory health. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and remedies, and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Breathe easy and stay healthy.